Hello South Africa. EFF want Israel embassy gone. The economic freedom fighters has taken their demand of wanting the Israel embassy shut down from just a protest to an urgent request within the National Assembly. The party yesterday staged a protest outside the embassy calling for the removal of the embassy from the country. The Red Berets pledged their support for the people of Palestine, even vowing to supply them weapons should they win the 2024 national elections. In their letter, signed off by Chief Whip Floyd Shivambu, submits an urgent draft resolution which, according to Rule 119 of the National Assembly, which allows for the resolution be made final with or without a debate. Given the sensitivity and the nature of the proposed draft resolution, we respectfully request that the Speaker, in the capacity of Chairperson of the National Assembly Programming Committee, convene an urgent meeting to ensure the draft resolution is tabled before the end of week. During yesterday's protests, EFF leader Julius Malema went as far as calling Israel as murderers. "We can't stay in the same area with murderers breathing the same air with people who kill innocent people," said Malema. Anyone within Malema's firing line was not spared, as he also took his shot at President Cyril Ramaphosa and accusing him of being financed by the Jewish people and the Israeli government. Cyril Ramaphosa was made president by the money donated to him by the Jewish people behind this embassy. Jewish who are not progressive. That's why he can't say anything. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.